A delicious whirlwind, introducing the banana and nut butter wrap. This delightful creation is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a nutritious start to your day. Are you tired of boring breakfasts? Do you find yourself yawning at the sight of the same old cereal every morning? Do you need something quick and easy for those hectic mornings? When you're rushing out the door, you need a breakfast that's both fast and fulfilling. Then look no further than the amazing banana and nut butter wrap. It's the perfect solution for a busy lifestyle. This isn't your average breakfast, it's a flavor explosion. Imagine the creamy, rich taste of nut butter combined with the sweet, natural goodness of bananas, all wrapped up in a soft tortilla. It's a nutritional powerhouse, and the best part, it's ready in a flash. In just a few minutes, you can have a delicious and healthy breakfast ready to go. This wrap is perfect for people on the go. Whether you're heading to work, school, or just need a quick snack, it's the ideal portable meal. It's packed with energy to keep you going all morning. The combination of protein from the nut butter and the natural sugars from the banana provides a sustained energy boost. Plus, it's so simple to make, even if you're not a kitchen whiz. Just spread your favorite nut butter on a tortilla, add a sliced banana, roll it up, and you're done. Get ready to discover your new favorite breakfast. The banana and nut butter wrap is not just a meal, it's an experience. Share it with your family and friends and watch as it becomes a beloved staple in your household. Imagine starting your day with a breakfast that's not only delicious, but also fun to make. Get everyone involved in the kitchen and create lasting memories while preparing this delightful wrap. And don't forget, it's perfect for lunchboxes too. Pack it for a midday meal that's both satisfying and nutritious. Take it on picnics, road trips, or enjoy it as a quick snack anytime, anywhere. The versatility of the banana and nut butter wrap makes it a must-have in your meal rotation. So why wait? Try the banana and nut butter wrap today and elevate your breakfast game. It's time to say goodbye to boring breakfasts and hello to a new, exciting way to start your day. Your mornings will never be the same again. With the banana and nut butter wrap, you'll look forward to breakfast every day. Enjoy the perfect blend of taste, nutrition, and convenience. Make the banana and nut butter wrap a part of your daily routine and experience the joy of a delicious, healthy, and easy breakfast. Bon appetit. What you need. Simple ingredients for a cracking wrap. Let's talk ingredients. You won't need a million things for this recipe, just a few simple stars to create something truly special. Here's your shopping list. Whole wheat tortillas. These are our tasty, healthy wraps. Ripe bananas. The sweeter, the better. Nut butter. Choose your favorite. Peanut, almond, cashew, they all work. That's it. 3 simple ingredients. You probably have them in your kitchen right now. No need for a supermarket sweep. Let's get wrapping it. Building your masterpiece, a step-by-step guide. Today, we're diving into the art of creating a delicious and nutritious breakfast wrap that will kickstart your day with energy and flavor. Ready to assemble your breakfast of champions? This simple yet satisfying recipe is perfect for busy mornings or a quick snack. It's easier than you think. With just a few ingredients and a couple of minutes, you'll have a tasty treat that's both healthy and delicious. Follow these simple steps, and you'll be a wrap master in no time. First, grab your tortilla. Make sure it's fresh and soft for the best results. Lay it flat on a plate. Spread the love by getting a generous dollop of your favorite nut butter. Whether it's peanut, almond, or cashew, choose what you love. Get a dollop of that delicious nut butter and spread it evenly over the tortilla. Make sure to cover the entire surface for a consistent flavor in every bite. Next, peel and place your banana. Peel your banana and place it right in the center of that nut butter goodness. This will be the core of your wrap, providing a sweet and creamy texture. Fold in the sides of the tortilla to keep all the ingredients snugly inside, then roll it up nice and tight starting from the bottom. This technique ensures that every bite is packed with flavor, and there you have it, your very own banana and nut butter wrap. It's a perfect blend of protein, healthy fats, and natural sugars to fuel your day. You can enjoy it whole or slice it in half for easier eating. Slicing it also makes it perfect for sharing or for a more elegant presentation. Now, wasn't that easy peasy? This wrap is not only quick to make, but also versatile. You can add other ingredients like honey, chia seeds, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon to customize it to your taste. Drizzle a bit of honey for extra sweetness, or sprinkle some chia seeds for added crunch and nutrition. The possibilities are endless. Feel free to experiment with different nut butters and fruits. Try adding strawberries, blueberries, or even apple slices for a different twist. Pair your wrap with a cup of coffee or tea, and you've got a balanced breakfast that's both delicious and satisfying. This wrap is also great for on the go. Pack it in a lunchbox for a quick and easy meal at work or school. Share it with friends and family and spread the joy of a homemade, healthy snack. It's a great way to show you care. And don't forget, cleanup is a breeze. Just a few utensils and a plate, and you're done. Enjoy your delicious creation and the time you've saved. So there you have it, a simple, quick, and nutritious breakfast wrap that anyone can make. Give it a try and start your day the right way. Enjoy every bite of your banana and nut butter wrap, and remember, the best meals are the ones made with love and care. Happy eating, and stay tuned for more easy and delicious recipes in our next step-by-step guide. Bananas, little yellow powerhouses of goodness. Let's talk about bananas for a moment. These little yellow guys are more than just a tasty treat. They're packed with potassium, which is super important for keeping our muscles working properly. They've also got fiber, which helps us feel full and satisfied. Bananas are like little bundles of natural energy. They give you that boost you need to kickstart your day. Plus, they're naturally sweet, so they satisfy your sweet tooth without all the added sugar. What's not to love? Section 5. Nut butter, a delicious source of energy and nutrients. Now let's move on to nut butter, the other star of our breakfast show. Nut butter is made from nuts, of course, which are full of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. It's like a nutritional triple threat. Peanut butter is a classic choice, but don't be afraid to branch out. Almond butter is delicious and has a slightly sweeter taste. Cashew butter is super creamy and decadent. Whichever nut butter you choose, you're in for a treat. Section 6. A symphony of flavors and health benefits. When you combine the natural sweetness of bananas with the rich, nutty flavor of nut butter, something magical happens. It's a flavor combination that's both comforting and satisfying. But it's not just about the taste. This wrap is a nutritional powerhouse. You've got carbohydrates from the tortilla and banana for energy. You've got protein and healthy fats from the nut butter to keep you feeling full and focused. And you've got fiber to aid digestion. It's the perfect way to fuel your body and mind. Section 7. Fun facts, bananas and nut butter. Did you know? Let's have a little fun with some food facts. Did you know that bananas aren't actually fruits? They're technically herbs. And did you know that it takes about 540 peanuts to make a 12-ounce jar of peanut butter? That's a lot of peanuts. These fun facts just go to show that even the simplest ingredients can be full of surprises. So next time you're enjoying your banana and nut butter wrap, you can impress your friends and family with your newfound knowledge. Section 8. My verdict. The perfect breakfast for busy bees. I'm a big fan of this wrap, and let me tell you why. It's not just about the taste, but the convenience and nutrition it offers. First of all, it's incredibly quick and easy to make. You only need a few ingredients: a whole grain wrap, your favorite nut butter, and a ripe banana. Simply spread the nut butter on the wrap, slice the banana, and place the slices on top. Roll it up, and you're good to go. As someone who's always on the go, I appreciate a breakfast that doesn't require a lot of time or effort. Mornings can be hectic, and having a go-to meal that I can prepare in under 5 minutes is a game changer. Whether you're a student rushing to class, a professional heading to work, or a parent getting the kids ready, this wrap fits seamlessly into your routine. Secondly, it's portable and mess-free. Unlike some breakfasts that require sitting down with utensils, this wrap is designed for mobility. You can wrap it up and take it with you on your commute, to the gym, or to work. No need to worry about spills or crumbs. It's neatly contained and easy to handle. You can wrap it up and take it with you on your commute, to the gym, or to work. It's perfect for those who need to eat on the move. Plus, it's versatile. You can switch up the nut butter or add other ingredients like chia seeds, honey, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon to keep things interesting. And finally, it's absolutely delicious and satisfying. The combination of creamy nut butter and sweet banana is a classic that never gets old. It's the perfect balance of flavors and textures, making each bite a delight. Plus, it's packed with nutrients. Bananas provide potassium and fiber, while nut butter offers healthy fats and protein. It's the perfect combination of sweet and savory, and it keeps me feeling full and energized all morning long. This wrap is not just a quick fix, it's a nutritious start to your day. It fuels your body and keeps your energy levels stable, preventing those mid-morning slumps. What more could you ask for? A breakfast that's quick, easy, portable, delicious, and nutritious. The banana and nut butter wrap truly is the perfect breakfast for busy bees. So next time you're in a rush, give it a try. Your taste buds and your schedule will thank you. Section 9. Join the wrap revolution. So there you have it, folks. The banana and nut butter wrap. A breakfast revolution in the making. It's quick, easy, healthy, and delicious. What are you waiting for? Grab your ingredients and get wrapping. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Subscribe to the eGreen channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.